Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I shared with you some beautiful crochet bed cover design model. Creating a crochet bed cover can be a delightful project. Here are some tips to guide you as you embark on your crochet journey. Choose your yarn. Select yarn that suits your preference. 100% anti-piling acrylic yarn works well for this bed cover, but cotton yarn is also a good option. Consider using fine yarn with a glitter thread for added elegance. Number 2. Crochet hook. Use a number 6 crochet hook for this project. It is essential to have the right hook size to achieve the desired stitch tension. Number 3. Size and stitches. The finished bed cover size will depend on your stitches. Experiment with different stitch size to achieve the dimensions you desire. Remember that you can easily adjust the size by adding more triangles. Color creativity. Be creative with colors. For holiday season, consider crocheting in festive shades, red and white for Christmas, or gold and silver for New Year festivities can add a special touch. Daylight elegance. If you use yarn with a glitter thread, your bed cover will shine beautifully in daylight. The subtle sparkle adds a touch of sophistication. Versatility. Besides looking elegant, this bed cover serves a practical purpose. You can use it as cozy cover during playtime, naps, or by the fireplace on chilly days. Remember, there is no limit to creativity when it comes to crochet. Enjoy the process, and soon you will have a beautiful bed cover to adorn your space. Here are some additional tips for creating a beautiful crochet bed cover. Choose the right yarn. Opt for a yarn that suits the desired level of warmth and durability for a bed cover. Cotton or acrylic yarns are popular choices. Select a color scheme. Consider the bedroom's color palette and choose yarn colors that complement it. A cozy color scheme enhances the overall aesthetic. Pattern selection. Pick a crochet pattern that suits your skill level and desired style. Classic granny skirts, chevron, or intricate leg patterns are popular for bed covers. Size matters. Determine the bed cover size based on your bed dimensions. Measure your mattress and consider the desired drop on the sides for a proper fit. Consistent tension. Maintain consistent tension while crocheting to ensure an even and polished look throughout the bed cover. Block your squares. If using granny squares or motifs, block them before joining to ensure uniform size and shape. Joining techniques. Explore different joining techniques like whip stitch, slip stitch, or single crochet to connect individual pieces seamlessly. Edging options. Finish the bed cover with a suitable edging. You could choose a simple border, a leggy edge, or a decorative stitch to enhance the overall design. Consider texture. Experiment with textured stitches to add depth and interest to your bed cover. Popcorn stitches, bubbles, or cables can create unique patterns. Plan ahead. Plan your project by sketching or visualizing the design. This helps in avoiding mistakes and ensures a cohesive look. Yarn substitutions. If the recommended yarn is not available or you want to experiment, be sure to check the yarn weight and fiber content for suitable substitutions. Adjustable sizing. Make your bed cover adjustable by incorporating a modular design. This allows you to easily customize the size if needed, even after starting the project. Weave in ends statically. As you work weaving yarn ends statically to maximize the finishing work at the end of your project. It keeps your work neat and saves time. Document progress. Take photos or notes of your progress, especially if you are making a complex pattern. This can be helpful if you need to refer back or troubleshoot. Blocking before assembly. If creating motifs, consider blocking them before joining. This ensures a uniform size and helps in aligning pieces during assembly. Experiment with varied textures. Combine different yarn textures within the bed cover for a tactile experience. Mix smooth and fluffy yarns to create a visually appealing and touchable design. Plan for regular breaks. Crocheting a bed cover can be a time-consuming project. Plan regular breaks to avoid hand fatigue and maintain focus. Matching pillow covers. Create matching pillow covers with similar or contemporary designs to complete the coordinated look of your bedding. Incorporate pockets. Add functional elements like pockets to your bed cover for a practical touch. This can be used to store small items or provide a cozy spot for hands. Share your progress. Join online crochet communities or social media groups to share your progress, seek advice, and gain inspiration from fellow crafters. Remember, your bed cover is a reflection of your creativity, so feel free to adapt these tips to suit your preference and make the project uniquely yours. Enjoy the journey of creating your crochet bed cover. Happy crocheting! Thank you so much for watching this video.